Welcome to part 2 of Optimizing Your Local Business Website. In this session, we'll cover on-site optimization. Firstly, you should identify local keywords related to your business. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find keywords that customers in your area are searching for. Alternatively, check out what your competitors are targeting. Place keywords strategically on your pages, but don't overuse them. This is known as keyword stuffing, and Google hates it. Include these keywords in your website's title tags, meta descriptions, headings, and content. Finally, if your business serves multiple areas, create location-specific pages, for example, plumbing services in Manchester, with unique, relevant content for each location. This way, when someone from that area searches for your services, Google will serve them the correct page. Location-specific pages rank very well in local searches, so these are a must. Congratulations, your local business website is now optimized for local search. Don't forget to join us for part 3 where we'll discuss mobile optimization.